Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into something that's a natural and essential part of the female reproductive system, the menstrual cycle. This cycle is something all female primates experience, from monkeys and apes to us humans. But what exactly happens in this cycle, and how do our hormones keep everything in synchronized way? Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand and maybe even a little fascinating. Alright, let's start with the basics. The menstrual cycle is the monthly cycle that's prepare a woman's body for pregnancy. In humans, it usually lasts around 28 to 29 days, but it can vary a bit for each person. The first period, known as menarche, begin at puberty, while the last one, menopause, typically happens around age 50. Menstruation stops during pregnancy, but otherwise signals a healthy reproductive system. The cycle kicks off with what called the menstrual phase, lasting around 3 to 5 days. During this phase, the lining of the uterus, known as endometrium, sets if no fertilization has taken place. This causes the familiar menstrual flow or period. It's your body way of saying, alright, no pregnancy this time. Time to clear out and prepare for the next cycle. Now it's interesting to note that missing a period can mean pregnancy, but it can also be due to stress, health issue, or hormones imbalance. Next, we move into follicular phase. Here things start gearing up for potential pregnancy. Inside the ovaries, primary follicle start to grow and mature into what called the Graafian follicle, which will eventually release an egg. When will the uterine lining or endometrium start to thicken again, preparing to support a potential fertilized egg. Hormones play a huge role here. The brain signals the pituitary gland to increase the release of two main hormones, follicular stimulating hormone known as FSH and luteinizing hormone LH. These hormones help the follicles mature and stimulate estrogen production, which help rebuild the endometrial lining. Then comes a major milestone, the ovulation phase. Around day 14, both FSH and LH spike, but LH really surge, causing the mature Graafian follicle to rupture and release an egg. This is ovulation, and it's the time when a woman is most fertile. If the egg meets the sperm in this window, pregnancy may occur. Following ovulation, we enter the luteal phase. The ruptured follicle transforms into a temporary structure called corpus luteum, which pumps out progesterone. This hormone is key for maintaining that thickened uterine lining, just in case a fertilized egg needs to implant. If pregnancy doesn't happen, the corpus luteum breaks down, progesterone drop, and the lining shed again, and that's the start of a new cycle.